Starting your day with a gentle full-body activation routine, like Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train, is one of the most effective ways to wake up both your body and mind. After a night's rest, your muscles, joints, and circulation tend to be sluggish. A well-structured morning workout acts like a warm good morning for every part of your body, loosening stiffness, increasing blood flow, and preparing you physically and mentally for the day ahead. Pamela's workout does this by targeting all major muscle groups with a blend of slow, controlled stretches and light strength-based movements. This combination means you're not just warming up one area, like your legs or arms, but activating everything from your shoulders and core to your glutes and calves. The goal isn't to push your limits or break a sweat like in a high-intensity session, but rather to coax your body into alertness in a safe, steady way. One of the biggest benefits of this kind of gentle activation is improved mobility. Many people spend the first hours of their day sitting, whether that's during breakfast, commuting, or starting work, which can quickly tighten muscles. By moving through a variety of dynamic positions in the morning, you create more freedom in your joints. Pamela includes flowing motions that open up the hips, lengthen the spine, and rotate the shoulders, which can reduce tension and improve posture throughout the day. Another major advantage is the boost to circulation. Gentle full-body exercises encourage your heart to pump more efficiently, sending fresh oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. This can result in better focus, higher energy levels, and even an improved mood before your day officially begins. The workout is designed with continuous movement, no breaks, so your blood flow remains steady and your body stays engaged from start to finish. From a mental perspective, this style of workout is a calming yet uplifting ritual. The pace is slow enough to keep stress levels low, but active enough to spark endorphin release. Pamela's friendly, encouraging delivery adds to the sense of positivity, helping you feel not only physically warmed up but emotionally ready to tackle the day. It's almost like a moving meditation. You're focusing on the rhythm of your body, your breathing, and the smooth transitions between exercises. Importantly, this gentle full-body activation is accessible for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner easing into exercise, someone recovering from more intense training, or just looking for a quick pick-me-up, you can follow along without feeling overworked. No equipment is needed, so you can do it anywhere at home, in a hotel room, or even outdoors if you want to pair your movement with fresh air. In short, starting your morning with a gentle full-body activation like this primes your muscles, joints, and nervous system for the day, supports better mobility and circulation, lifts your mood, and sets a positive tone. It's a small 10-minute investment with big returns for your energy, productivity, and overall well-being. One of the standout features of Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train is that it requires absolutely no equipment, just your own body weight. This makes the routine accessible to virtually anyone, anywhere. You don't need dumbbells, resistance bands, yoga mats, or even a large space to get started. All you need is a small, comfortable area where you can move freely. This simplicity is one of the reasons Pamela's workouts have such wide appeal. They eliminate the common barriers that often stop people from exercising in the first place. Body weight-based workout uses the resistance of your own body to strengthen and mobilize muscles. In the morning, this is particularly beneficial because it puts less stress on the joints compared to lifting heavy weights. After a night of rest, your muscles and connective tissues may be slightly stiff or dehydrated, so the lighter, more controlled nature of bodyweight training helps reduce the risk of injury while still activating every muscle group. This equipment-free approach also means you can stay consistent, whether you're at home, traveling, or in a small apartment without gym access. You can keep up with your routine without disruption. Consistency is key to building lasting fitness habits. And by removing the need for extra tools, Pamela makes it easy to maintain your commitment. It's the kind of workout you can roll out of bed and start. No setup, no excuses. Bodyweight exercises are also extremely versatile. The same move can be adapted to different fitness levels simply by adjusting your pace, range of motion, or body position. Pamela incorporates flowing stretches and controlled strength moves that work your arms, legs, core, and back without you needing to pick up a single piece of equipment. For example, gentle squats activate the lower body, while plank variations engage the core and shoulders, and standing reaches stretch and strengthen the upper body. all done using only your weight and gravity. From a functional fitness perspective, bodyweight training has the added benefit of mimicking natural movement patterns. This means you're improving strength, mobility, and balance in ways that carry over into everyday activities like bending, reaching, and twisting, making your body more capable and resilient. For morning workouts, this is ideal because it not only wakes up your muscles but also prepares them for the practical demands of your day. The absence of equipment also gives a psychological boost. There's something freeing about knowing that your body alone is enough to get you fit and energized. This can be especially empowering for beginners or people intimidated by gym culture. Pamela's approachable teaching style reinforces this idea. She shows you that you don't need complicated gear or a high-tech setup to feel good in your body. In short, the no-equipment, bodyweight-based nature of this workout removes obstacles, supports safe and effective morning movement, encourages consistency, and promotes functional strength. It's simple, portable, adaptable, and effective, perfect for anyone wanting a quick yet complete start to their day without the hassle of gym gear. One of the defining elements of Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train is its continuous flow. There are no scheduled breaks between exercises. This design keeps the body in constant, gentle motion for the full 10 minutes, creating a steady rhythm that wakes you up without jolting your system. Instead of stopping to rest, Pamela transitions seamlessly from one movement to the next, so your muscles stay engaged and your heart rate remains slightly elevated from start to finish. In the morning, this uninterrupted flow has several important benefits. First, it enhances circulation. When you move consistently without pausing, your heart continues to pump oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and brain, improving alertness and mental clarity. This is especially valuable early in the day, when your body is transitioning from a state of rest to activity. The continuous nature of the workout ensures you don't lose the momentum you've built in the first few minutes. Second, this style of training maintains warmth in your muscles and joints. If you were to take frequent breaks, your body could cool down slightly between moves, making it harder to maintain flexibility and fluidity. By keeping movement constant, Pamela ensures that each new exercise starts with your body already primed, reducing stiffness and lowering the risk of strains. This is particularly important for morning workouts, where the goal is to gently loosen up after sleep. The no-breaks approach also improves efficiency. 10 minutes may not seem like much, but by eliminating downtime, you get more actual movement within that time frame. This means you can fit a complete, effective workout into a short window, perfect for busy mornings. Every second counts, and Pamela maximizes that time by structuring exercises in a way that flows naturally, so you're never left wondering what to do next. Additionally, the continuous flow builds endurance in a subtle way. Even though the workout is low-impact, maintaining movement for the entire session challenges your stamina without causing fatigue. Over time, this can improve both cardiovascular health and muscular endurance, all without the intensity of high-impact training. For people who want to wake up feeling energized rather than drained, this is the ideal balance. From a mental perspective, the seamless transitions make the workout feel almost like a moving meditation. You're constantly shifting positions, reaching, stretching, bending, and holding, so your focus stays on the present moment rather than on waiting for the next break. This helps you stay engaged and makes the time pass quickly. The absence of pauses also keeps your motivation steady. Once you're in the flow, you naturally want to keep going until the end. Pamela's clear cues and well-planned sequence ensure that the lack of breaks doesn't feel overwhelming. Each move is moderate in intensity and balanced with stretches, so you're working while also allowing certain muscle groups to recover as others take over. This thoughtful structure is what makes the no-breaks format feel invigorating rather than exhausting. In short, the continuous flow of this workout maintains energy, boosts circulation, enhances mobility, and maximizes efficiency. It's a smart, time-saving approach that turns just 10 minutes into a fully engaging and refreshing morning ritual. In Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train, each exercise is performed for approximately 30 seconds before moving on to the next. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a deliberate and highly effective design choice. The 30-second format strikes the perfect balance between giving. One of the most effective features of Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train is the way it blends stretching with light strength training in a single, seamless flow. This approach delivers the best of both worlds: improved flexibility and mobility from the stretches, along with toned muscles and improved stability from the strength moves. For a short morning session, this combination is a smart, time-efficient way to prepare both your body and mind for the day. Stretching in the morning helps counteract the stiffness that builds up overnight. While you sleep, your muscles shorten slightly, and your joints are inactive for hours. Gentle, controlled stretches lengthen the muscles, increase joint lubrication, and restore your natural range of motion. Pamela includes dynamic stretches, such as arm sweeps, hip openers, and spinal rotations, which don't just passively hold a position but actively move through it. This helps improve circulation, warm up the body, and prime it for the day's activities. On the other side of the equation, light strength training adds a layer of muscular activation that pure stretching alone can't provide. By incorporating body weight moves such as squats, lunges, planks, or glute kickbacks, Pamela engages multiple muscle groups and stimulates both stability and endurance. The strength component doesn't need to be intense or heavy. Even small, controlled movements can wake up your muscles and signal your nervous system to be alert and ready. This is particularly valuable for mornings, as it prevents the sluggishness that can linger if you only stretch passively. The beauty of this hybrid method is that it enhances overall functionality. Stretching improves flexibility, which allows your muscles to move through a greater range of motion during strength exercises. Meanwhile, strength training supports and stabilizes joints, making your stretches safer and more effective. The two elements feed into each other's strong, stable muscles help maintain mobility, and flexible muscles allow for more effective strength work. This combination is also ideal for all fitness levels. Beginners can focus more on range of motion and lighter activation, while more advanced participants can deepen the stretches and increase the pace or intensity of the strength moves. Since the workout uses body weight only, it remains joint-friendly and adaptable. Pamela's smooth transitions between stretching and strengthening ensure the workout feels fluid, rather than segmented, more like a dance between flexibility and power than two separate activities. Mentally, alternating between stretching and strength work keeps the session engaging. Stretching segments feel soothing and restorative, while strength moves bring a sense of energy and accomplishment. This ebb and flow can help you feel balanced both physically and mentally. By the end of the workout, you finish not only looser and more mobile but also stronger and more confident, ready to take on the day. In essence, Pamela's combination of stretching and light strength training creates a holistic start to the morning. It mobilizes your joints, activates your muscles, boosts circulation, and fosters a positive mindset, all in just 10 minutes. It's an efficient and refreshing way to build long-term flexibility, strength, and overall wellness. Pamela Reif's 10-min Good Morning Workout Stretch and Train stands out because it's low impact yet remarkably energizing, a balance that makes it perfect for starting the day. Low impact means the exercises avoid harsh jumping, pounding, or rapid directional changes that can strain the joints. Instead, the movements are smooth, controlled, and joint-friendly, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of exercise without unnecessary wear and tear. This is particularly important in the morning, when your body is still transitioning from rest to activity. After several hours of sleep, your muscles may be tight, your connective tissues less pliable, and your nervous system not yet fully alert. High-impact activities such as jumping jacks or sprints can be jarring and increase the risk of injury. At this time, by focusing on low-impact moves, Pamela's routine gently wakes up the body, gradually increasing heart rate and circulation in a safe, sustainable way. Despite the gentleness, the workout is energizing because it uses continuous, full-body movement that stimulates both the muscles and the cardiovascular system. The routine combines light strength work such as squats, lunges, and planks with dynamic stretches that open up the hips, spine, and shoulders. These flowing transitions keep the body engaged without feeling overwhelming. As a result, you get a steady release of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals which naturally boost mood and energy levels. The impact design also means the workout is accessible to almost everyone regardless of age, fitness level, or physical limitations. It's suitable for beginners who are just building their fitness base, for older adults who want to stay active without risking joint strain, and even for more experienced athletes looking for a gentle recovery session. This versatility is a hallmark of Pamela's approach. She creates routines that can fit into many lifestyles and physical conditions. From a physiological perspective, low-impact exercise is excellent for building foundational strength and mobility. Because you're not battling against heavy resistance or explosive force, you can focus on form, posture, and breathing. This improves muscle control and body awareness, which are essential for preventing injury and improving performance in other types of workouts. Over time, consistently practicing low-impact routines like this can improve balance, coordination, and joint stability. Mentally, the low-impact yet energizing nature of the session has a calming effect. There's no sense of dread or mental resistance that sometimes comes with high-intensity training. Instead, the workout feels inviting. You can step into it, knowing it will leave you feeling better than when you started, without draining you. Pamela's encouraging delivery adds to this uplifting experience, making it feel less like a chore and more like a refreshing self-care ritual. In short, this low-impact yet energizing routine is a smart way to wake up your body without overtaxing it. It strengthens muscles, improves mobility, boosts circulation, and elevates mood, all while being gentle on the joints. For anyone looking to start the day feeling alert, refreshed, and ready for action, it's the perfect middle ground between ease and effectiveness. One of the biggest strengths of Pamela Reif's 1:00 Good Morning workout, Stretch and Train, is that it's truly suitable for all fitness levels, from complete beginners to experienced exercisers. This inclusivity comes from the workout's carefully balanced structure, low-impact design, and adaptable pace, making it a universal option for anyone wanting a gentle yet effective start to their day. For beginners, the workout offers a safe entry point into regular movement. The exercises are simple, controlled, and require no equipment, removing common barriers such as intimidation or the need for special gear. Pamela guides viewers through each move with clear cues, ensuring they can focus on correct form without feeling rushed. The 30-second per exercise format also means beginners can work within their own capacity, completing as many reps as they comfortably can without pressure. If a move feels challenging, they can reduce the range of motion, slow the pace, or take a moment to modify without falling behind. For intermediate and advanced participants, the workout still holds value because it can be adjusted to increase intensity by deepening stretches, engaging muscles more actively, or adding small pulses to strength moves. Experienced exercisers can turn the gentle flow into a more challenging activation session. They may also choose to pair it with other workouts as a warm-up or active recovery routine, using it to loosen muscles and improve circulation before or after higher intensity training. Another reason this workout suits all fitness levels is its low-impact nature. There's no jumping, sprinting, or heavy lifting movements that might pose risks for those with joint concerns, limited mobility, or past injuries. Instead, the exercises are joint-friendly and functional, focusing on natural movement patterns like bending, reaching, twisting, and stabilizing. This makes it accessible for older adults or people returning to exercise after a break, while still offering enough engagement to keep fitter individuals interested. The adaptability extends beyond physical ability. It also fits into different lifestyle needs. Busy professionals can use it as a quick, energizing morning ritual. Stay-at-home parents can fit it in during a short break. Travelers can perform it in a hotel room without needing gym access. Because the workout is just 10 minutes long, it's easy to commit to daily, which helps build consistency, a key factor in maintaining long-term health and fitness. Mentally, its universal appeal comes from Pamela's approachable teaching style. She delivers the workout with positivity and warmth, creating an atmosphere where everyone feels welcome regardless of skill level. There's no pressure to keep up in a competitive sense, just encouragement to move your body and feel good. This supportive tone is especially important for beginners who may feel intimidated by more aggressive fitness formats. In essence, the workout's suitability for all fitness levels lies in its adaptability, accessibility, and it allows beginners to move safely, gives experienced exercisers a useful tool for mobility and activation, and offers a joint-friendly option for anyone in between. By designing it this way, Pamela ensures that no matter your age, background, or physical condition, you can